Good morning, Mulaski. My name is Caitlyn, and today is Wednesday, September 11th. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated for 30 seconds of silence.
Today's lunch choices are Papa John's Pizza, fresh salad bar, sriracha honey chicken and brown rice, and the grab-and-go options. Your sides are baby carrots, celery, and fresh grapes. If you were here for Picture Day and purchased a temporary ID, we now have the picture disc so we can print your student ID card. Please come to the register before first period to get your card. You must bring your temporary ID and badge holder with you. Otherwise, all new IDs are $1. Students absent on Picture Day will take their picture on October 4th.
Thursdays, we start our day with our house teams and go to a mentorship class before first period.
Show your Mulaski house pride and wear your team colors tomorrow.
Which team will dominate the halls with their team colors?
If you play sports for one of Mulaski's sports teams and need help with your homework and want to keep those grades up, you can come to Study Hall Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays after school in room 722 from 2:30 to 3:30 p.m. See Coach Zoe if you have any questions.
We do not have a late bus today, so please make sure you get to your bus immediately after the 6th period bell.
Thank you for tuning in today's MVP. Have a nice day.